back with another video. P. As you can see where we at, you know what I'm saying? We using the camera place. I'm trying to, I had to indeed get another battery. You know what I'm saying? My battery didn't work. I had to get another battery, you know what I'm saying? The camera ain't work. Can't use my camera, but my dog Dilla came to clutch. You know what I'm saying? My brother came to clutch. You know what I'm saying? For the JSU. Chill out, bro. He came to clutch with the JSU content. You know what I'm saying? Couldn't get a lot, but got a little something. You know what I'm saying? So, we finna get this battery. We get the battery. And for trying to look for this mic so we can get some, you know what I'm saying, better quality, better sound quality, because shit bad.
He just want to see it. I'm gonna do this.
109?
109, but that ain't bad though.
Not bad though.
I thought it was like 200.
It's
This one better than the other?
Yeah, this one.
It's a lot better.
Why you got no like bigger one than this?
I got the VidMic Pro.
Where's it?
That's probably 300. 229. But it's better. It's bigger and better. But that's a good mic for the money.
Yeah.
Put it up.
Please put this up for me.
It look like the last one. That's the last one y'all got, right?
Last one?
Yeah.
Please put that up for me, sir.
I can get more, but I only have one right now.
Please.
We ain't gonna get it.
Yeah, you know.
I popped up my birthday.
I ain't gonna hold it that long.
Yeah. Nobody
I would show.
Me. Yeah. It came from the light. My brother talking about he trying to get a car. I was telling him about the trade and shit like that. So he told me they just come, you know what I'm saying? And then whoever we seeing and get them car, y'all pay a car, get 300. We get 300. Not y'all, we get 300. So,
Back of the car. Back of the car.
Back of what car? Oh, back of the car.
300.
Come on, man, we get 300. Come on now. So, hey. We don't need a car?
We coming dually next though.
We coming in. Show him, man. Come on, man. Hey, we coming in next. No rap. Come next to the next. Y'all see me in there?
I'm driving it dually.
No rap. Oh, we hit y'all back though. Where we go back next? Yo! We're back. Hershey Kiss _ Spook. What the fuck wrong with it though? Nah though. I mean we just dropped my dog off. Shit like that. We back and shit. Finna head to the house. Chill, cool, that shit going on. Today Wednesday, so yeah, I know it's not nothing really going on, especially in the jack. Nothing really going on for real. Yeah, my camera finna go dead and shit like that. Gotta charge my shit up, man. Gotta charge my shit up. That's some more shit. That's my brother home. This guy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, though. We probably pick the camera up part tomorrow. So, meet y'all for back tomorrow, I guess. Nigga try to goddamn get something to eat and shit. No, he couldn't get done it. Couldn't get done this shit. I thought they're arguing some more shit up there. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. I ain't gonna lie. They were arguing though. Guess they ready to beat a nigga ass up there. Turn that weak ass shit out, but
It's don't tell my shit. I don't know. But he African that nigga. Like that bit. He said, you like ride with. I said what? He said, you know the rapper ride with.
oh fuck nah. He dick riding too.
Exactly, bro. I said, bro, you can't even let me use my gold card, bro. You know the gold card, you want to call nigga ride wave and shit, man.
That shit crazy. That shit crazy.
I know they take gold card. And the manager was at that Chinese nigga, he probably took it.
Think so?
He don't know. He the only nigga in that bitch. He don't know what the fuck he's talking about.
That's why. Damn it.
That nigga like he knew at that bitch.
Probably a new hell. Or some shit.
Bitch ass.
But it cool though. So if we got the goddamn thing so we can take these damn pictures. Well, he can take these damn pictures. I ain't taking no pictures. Go hit y'all fuck that one. Go there. Right, nigga?
Yeah, bro.
Look, come out. We done fucking made it, y'all.
That's a good ass.
We done made it. I'm on move. My dog finna get right with his pictures and shit. You know what I'm saying? Got down. Check the goddamn scenery out. You know, it look smooth though. You know, lie. You know, look alright. I don't too much fuck with it though. I don't too much fuck with it. George fuck with it, but I don't too much fuck with it though. After the car and shit back here, what the fuck? This hall like a dungeon, young nigga. Fuck the time out. You can go to the alleyway on there, yeah. All type of shit. Feel like a dungeon though. Damn, it looks scary as fuck back here though. Scary as moon, son. Oh no, ain't nobody in the little parking lot. Type shit. It's cool though. Honestly. Shit just dark as the moon. But yeah though, we in this hoe. My nigga Joseph finna take your pictures, do what you gotta do. Or whatever. And shit finna get right. I'm ready to leave though, I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready. Go back to the jack. Go back to the jack, goddamn. I don't something like this shit for real. But it's cool though. Hit y'all for back when we got down. Get in between them, it's between, Oh shit. Back and shit. We just watching the little fish. The fishes and shit, you know. Going around in the whole dirty ass water. Oh, look at the water. Oh, the dirt is a bit. It's still dirt as a mother. Soon the fish come around, I'm gonna show y'all though. Look, there's one right here. Yeah. Get that little motherfucker, man. There's another one down. Another one down. I'm surprised them hoes ain't dead shit. The water dirty as a motherfucker, another one down. Hey, you in this junk though. Surprised them hoes ain't dead shit though. The water dirty as a motherfucker. They holding on. Dear motherfucker life. Look up. Oh, my motherfucker camera out there, motherfucker. But that motherfucker be dropped in there. I'm be mad as a bit, my motherfucker camera get dropped in there. Ooh, hold on. Hey, in that junk though. Shit though. My dog just still let it work a little. Yeah, lame ass area. Real lame ass. Damn, chill area. Nigga got me in the chill area, y'all. Got me in the chill area. The whole lame here. But the whole shit. I'm trying to chill with the little fish though. You know what I'm saying? But better do his work. Yeah. Yeah, though. Try for that though. No way out. My life. Cool shit, smooth shit. Smooth shit, blue shit. We still out here. You know what I'm saying? My dog, he getting right. You see my boy over there. You know what I'm saying? My dog getting right. We in the middle of fucking nowhere though, y'all. We in the middle of nowhere. We in the middle of nowhere though. You know what I'm saying? I'm on rocks and shit like that. But it's a good ass little scenery though. You see? You know what I'm saying? Good ass little scenery. Good ass little scenery though. Shit cool. He don't even off to flick up too. Soon he get done in the chill shit. Alright, just what? So he get done doing his shit, he finna flick me up too. Bro. Cool shit. I'm in some very cool shit. He still finna flick me up though. I don't even get no for my mama. We in the dungeon though, like real. We really in the dungeon though. Like look where we at. What the fuck? Man. The fuck are we? This shit crazy. That down. FedEx, FedEx working. I know I said this shit wrong, my bad. I know I said this shit wrong. That bitch smooth though. I ain't gonna lie. Cool, that hoe like jail. Goddamn. This hoe like some jail and shit, that down. But, she walking around right now. Waiting the brother to get done doing what he doing. And shit. We on back down the damn road now. Get y'all folk back up down. Back down when we get that done. But yeah, soon we get done, I'm gonna get y'all folk back up. On there. YouTube P. Back in there, huh?
Turn the camera on. Look at that. Man, look at bro.
Look like less motherfucker, boy. But yeah, we back in shit though. Me, Twin got done what he was doing. Shit, I did a couple things. You know what I'm saying? A couple vlogging things. Really. Twin really doing the job. Taking their pictures and shit, goddamn. Them folks, man, them folks toxic as fuck. Overly Twin.
Beat though, I told you, but man, that young guy nigga beat though her old ass.
She pregnant, gang. They ain't need to be arguing through pictures. With a photo shoot, they arguing. He talking about fuck your dad. He talking about fuck. She talking about fuck your sister.
My mama.
She talking about daddy dead. He said I don't get no fuck.
That shit crazy.
Damn, what?
But she said,
Y'all got a whole child together. Y'all doing this? He talking about he'll push
that
it.
nigga young as a bitch though.
He talking
Nigga young as a bitch though.
that shit crazy. He talking about he'll push her ass in the pond and some more shit. Damn.
That little nigga 17, baby with a 21-year-old.
Shit, that's what did P?
Huh?
He said he's 17 with a 20-year-old?
He's 17. That girl 21 with a baby. That shit crazy.
That shit over crazy, man. Me and Twin be seeing some shit, guys. I ain't gonna lie. We be seeing some shit, guys.
That shit crazy.
We be seeing some shit, boy. I ain't gonna lie. But shit, we got a good ass little minute, I ain't gonna lie. Got a good ass little minute back to the crib. I'm gonna hit y'all back once we get back to there, cause shit. Got a good ass little ride back. Know where the fuck we at? Look where we at. That shit crazy. Crazy as a motherfucker. Got a whole place out. Pretty cool though. God way bigger, man. God way bigger. God always got a plan. He always got a plan. Always got a plan. This small shit, you can't even hear me, but this small shit compared to a giant. This small shit compared to a giant, man. Cool. Straight. Get back right. Get back on the motherfucking slab, man. Get back on the cool. We ain't worried about it. See, like, this shit right here, like, we smile through this shit. We smile through this shit. You know what I'm saying? We live for this shit. We live for this. We live for this. Go hit y'all, baby, get back in the jack, though, man. Shit crazy, boy. This shit fat as fuck. Look at my shit. Damn. What the fuck? It's something in this hoe. Definitely something in this joint, for sure.
That kid got that bitch low.
Food, it like food. It probably a nail or something in that hoe. It gotta be.
Yeah.
It gotta be a nail or something in that hoe. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm gonna get mine just in case. Shit crazy. Shit crazy as hell, boy. We had loads with this shit though. We had loads with this shit. Ain't nothing bigger than God though, so I ain't tripping about it. I ain't tripping about it, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing bigger than God, so I ain't tripping about it. That shit crazy. That shit just happened out of nowhere. It just happened out of nowhere. But it's the devil though, trying to work. It's cool. How you doing, son? I'm the devil though, so it's cool. I ain't tripping. Alright. Let me try back when I get out this thing though. Man, look. YouTube. I'm back, man. Yep, now. We about to deal about 4-5 hours right now. Finally got it fixed though. Finally got that junk fixed right now. Finally got this shit fixed.
Don't buy poets, motherfucker.
Yeah, what
I
happened?
mean, this bitch stuck. I'm trying to see how to get up out this bitch.
that's
They
what
just
crazy.
walk in, push the top right. I push that bitch, man. I'm up here flicking the dope thing. That bitch that old. Talking about some push the top right.
You know
That
what's so
bitch-
crazy? I did the same shit in my life.
Man, that bitch
I had
stuck.
to do the same shit, man.
I couldn't even get my damn license. I had wait nigga put the password in to the little thing.
Yeah.
Good, get what the password is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my! You pissed me off when I seen that shit. I'm like, what the fuck, gang? The password. This nigga 1, 2, 3 when that bitch open. I'm like, bro, I could do this shit
That
myself.
shit crazy. Well,
That
yeah,
shit,
man.
somebody gonna rob that, yeah.
We finally got this shit figured, man.
Man, push that bitch.
And we back to the jack with this shit, man. We back to the jack now, man. That shit right there. That shit that crazy, boy. Crazy. But look though, I don't know if I want to. I don't know what I want to do tomorrow. I might put the camera up again tomorrow, man. Just make this a 3-day video. You know what I'm saying? 3-day vid. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Picking up the camera tomorrow. Making a 3-day video. Just so y'all can see like what be going on in life. Like this is life stuff. Number life. Shit like this happens. It happens. You know, it happens. So I'm gonna hit y'all back tomorrow, I guess. Ooh, what's going on, Pete? We back in the hole. The next fucking day, nigga. It's the next day. What are they talking about? They just be saying shit. What the fuck they be on? It's the next day. Why you with? I put y'all in the hole, man.
No, you didn't.
They like the hole, huh?
I bet you know that.
Stop fucking lying.
Well, let me put y'all on.
You know what I'm saying? Next day. You know, as you can tell, well, no, I can't tell right now. But it's nighttime. I'm finna go bowling or something else and do a little couple chills. As I saw from yesterday, I nigga car broke down. Oh, wait, I ain't said car broke down. Tire went flat. And these niggas were laughing at me, but it's cool though. We got that fixed. It's cool. Definitely got that fixed. So we just in the store right now trying to get a little, you know what I'm saying, little couple snack. You know what I'm saying, little something. Put on our stomach before we go bowling and shit like that. Cause these niggas sorry. Sorry. He didn't. Garbage as a motherfucker. Like, this like that nigga here. For my mama. Garbage in here. Let me tell you what happened. I should have picked the camera up earlier though. I done beat these niggas ass in basketball. Like, I done beat these niggas ass for money in basketball.
You just pay his ass $5 and you pay me $4. Y'all can't shoot,
Why you capping, bro? Like, what?
George, don't tell you for what happened.
Like, he's lying. He's lying.
You number one.
Damn. Got the ass on it. I tell him how I beat y'all that earlier though. In basketball.
I got to tell you that. I know what. It's in the car.
I ain't got no choke. I didn't lose. I did not lose. Okay. I'm gonna get some do-dans and do-dats. And did that and did that and did that and did that. I'm gonna show y'all my feet in a minute though. You have to give me a second. Let me get out of here first. Cause they playing music too, so I'll meet y'all back. Yep.
Hey, cuz, that shit, the smoky smoke they had, fuck them up. Put them on YouTube, cuz.
Oh man, you see my guy? Oh, wow. He said it's a good job, so I'll be doing some good. You know what I'm saying? Nigga behind the camera. Huh? 5 minutes, just what the fuck is it talking about, man? Get my camera, bro. I ain't the phone. What did nigga talking about, bro? Just be saying, wait a minute. Just be saying shit. As I can see though, it's dark as the motherfucker out here. You know what I'm saying? Finna go strike out. They done go bowling. You coming up? Let me hit y'all back though when we get there.
I heard this one over there.
What you talking about?
Are you making this video?
Send us up to the ball, man. Send us up, man. What happened though? Who you talking about? Who you saying? Hey, look, okay, they got a line open. What is it? It's a wait right now? Okay. How long is the wait gonna be? 20 minutes. 30 minutes?
Are we on the wait list?
Yeah.
You want to get on the wait list?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What's the name?
Roland. R-O-L. Roland. R-O-L-A-N-D.
What's your phone number?
Three.
Okay, it'll send a text whenever it's ready. You'll have 10 minutes to get up here before we get to the next one.
It's Ghostland. Ghostland.
I'm a subscriber. He said Ghostland too?
We ain't got bowling alley and shit now. Bowling alley and shit like that. See. P, come up. Like, niggas don't want their bowling, man. They don't want their pool shit. They don't want this shit. I ain't gonna lie. Alright. Alright.
He said some more. Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Everything look took up.
Hey, all the way we play is probably lane over here. It's another lane down there.
This shit right here. I'm hit y'all back when we get a goddamn lane, you know?
Like some little ass kids, man.
Little ass kids, man.
On me, we did though. That was just one there. That what the
I
content
ain't
was
do
at.
this shit.
That what the content was at.
What?
You should have came dating Buster with me.
Crazy. These niggas left me out. They ain't even in here playing this shit.
Keep playing. I'm gonna shoot your ass just like this. Dumbass shoot.
Crazy ass. Crazy. I mean, they don't want to do nothing with me, man. They leaving me out. That shit crazy. They leaving me out. They don't care about me. Shit crazy. That shit crazy. They don't care about me, bro.
Good, boy. Like, Gino look good. Gino look upside. Every time we go out, bro. Matter of fact, turn the camera off. It's another thing. You need to start recording.
This shit all like this.
What happened? What happened?
Every time we go out, bro, they always talk about Ryan Wade this, Ryan Wade that. Good. Like every time, but that shit.
Niggas just mad.
What you mad about what? We just annoying though. Like every time.
They mad. They mad, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Now he talking about off camera, he ain't saying we mad. So the camera come on that we mad. So
They mad.
tired of hearing this shit like from reaction when the cameras come on. We tired of hearing this shit, man. Just like you should be tired of hearing that shit, man.
It's cool. They just mad. They just mad.
We use that shit.
Rap something.
Huh?
Rap something.
I can rap a lot of shit.
Okay. Work the right way.
I can rap a lot of shit.
Work the right way.
I ain't gonna do it right now, though. You know what I'm saying?
Right way.
You know what I'm saying? We ain't here right now, so I ain't gonna do it right now. As soon as I get in front of everybody, though, I'm gonna turn up. Right?
No.
That shit crazy, y'all. These boys just left me. These boys just left me. They say everybody caught me the wrong way, so I gotta just sit here and just wait on them. Of course, I gotta wait on them. That shit crazy, cause how niggas gonna do me like that? They left me here by myself? What? That's crazy. That shit crazy. You know what I'm saying? Look at him. That shit crazy. Huh? That shit crazy.
Oh my God.
I'll be back. Bless his ass. All right. Bust him on y'all. white ball. I'm finna bust his ass. We playing with 2 white balls. Yeah. What?
White ball with your dick.
Get right. Nowhere. What you doing, B?
What's your name?
You going first? What's in his ass right now? See, listen, he bust mine. Yeah, we back though. Hey, make sure y'all like. Y'all know to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, Ghost, we out.
Brand new kid, brand new bitch. I been on some brand new shit. The best that it get. Don't test her, we done bled on shit and fled on his. It'd be best to leave the gang alone, cause we steppin' on shit.